Welcome to the Be Chic studio, guys. I am so excited that we finally got these in the mail and Cameron's working on them. He starts by getting the package open. It says we should probably cuddle. He pulls it out of the plastic and starts to get it set up. He's making sure that the fabric is nice and even and that the stencil is centered properly. Painter's tape is his best friend. He's going to make sure that he lines it up. We're going to use Dark Roast by Country Chic Paint, and we're going to also use a stipple brush. So as you can see, he's taping it off so that it holds it down nice and tight. This is so important. There's no do-overs, guys. When working with fabric, it really needs to have specific rules to stippling. Make sure that you offload the paint from the stipple brush before you start to stipple. It's so vital. The process needs to be that you use a very light hand and a little bit of paint to do your first pass. This is going to require about 3 to 5, depending on what type of paint you use. However, Country Chic's paint is extremely high pigmented, so you won't have to do as many passes, which means less work, my friends. Cameron is truly doing an amazing job at his consistency, keeping the paint not too thick, not goopy, not clumpy. It's important, guys. That is the biggest part about making this project so beautiful, is his consistency. Between each pass, you definitely want to blow dry. That just gives consistency, makes it dry, hardened, so that it doesn't give as much of an opportunity for the paint to seep underneath the stencil. I'm so excited. Our favorite part, pulling off the tape and revealing. Oh my gosh, guys, absolutely beautiful. I am thoroughly impressed. What an awesome job. Thank you, everybody. Please leave comments below. We'd love to hear what your thoughts are. We will answer any questions that you guys have regarding these stencils. Again, Essential Stencils. We are ambassadors, so if you use the code BeChiqued when you log on to the website, you can get 10% off of your purchases. We are so thankful. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.